spark plug gap is 28 thousandths. Alright, let's also give this a try. Let's throw it on there. Make sure it works, because I want to save this as a spare. That's a tight fit. Okay. That works. That one's on there. So that is working. I'm going to start this back up now. Make sure that.
Got my chips cashed in, keep trucking like the Doodah Man. Together, more or less in line, just keep trucking on. Arizona and flashing marquees out on Main Street. Chicago, New York, Detroit, and it's all on the same street. A typical city involved in a typical daydream. Hang it up and see what tomorrow brings. Dallas got us all pushing. Houston, too close to New Orleans. New York, got the ways and means, just won't let you
Well, I still have the new ignition control module in here. I have not put it in. I'm using the used one, the known good used one, still in. Everything seems to be running really well. I just drove it for, I guess, a couple of trips now. I've gone into town and back a couple times. So I'm gonna conclude this video by saying, fingers crossed, I think it's fixed. And yeah, we'll go with that. We're gonna say it's fixed for now. And you know, there is one thing I will say about Volkswagen ownership, for those of you who are interested. I would say that Volkswagen ownership comes in basically 3 phases. Volkswagens they're either broken, they're being fixed, or they're about to break. And that is just the life you have to accept when you drive an old vehicle. So Anyway, I want to conclude this video here and just say it's working for now. I've done a couple trips in and out of town, so I'm starting to feel a little more confident that I've sorted it out. The new spark plugs, the distributor cap and rotor, all working well. So yeah, I'm gonna say it's running for now, and ready to go out for a few more adventures. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.